Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can put two clocks on home screen. Right now I have more than two, means three clocks which are of different time zones or different countries, you can say. See here, New York, London, Abu Dhabi. Like this you can also put two clocks or two or more clocks on your home screen, which is very easy. So first of all, I just removed that. Now we'll see how you can put that two clocks on home screen back. So for that, what you need to do is you need to install an app called Flip Clock. So where you will get this? You will get this here from the Play Store, Google Play Store, and on the search, just search like Flip Clock. Yeah, see here, this is one of the popular actually. So this is already installed, right? You need to just install and minimize. On your home screen, just tap and hold for few seconds so that you'll see this widgets option, right? Tap on this widgets and find that flip clock here. It will be in the alphabetical order, okay? So here is the flip clock, and there are different variations. You can keep calendar widget, clock widget type 2, clock and calendar. And see here, this is the world clock widget. Just drag this and drop it over here. Right now there are three countries, right? You may ask, like, when you keep this widget, how can I change these countries? So once you set this, you can just tap on this. When you tap on this, these countries will be added, right? To add a new country, click on this plus symbol, and from the list choose your time zone, okay? Maybe something like USA, United States, maybe Switzerland I'll choose, right? And you don't want this London, maybe press and hold for few seconds so that you'll get this cross marks here. Delete the one you don't want. Now exactly there are two countries, right? See here, you can actually minimize this also. Minimize and yeah, see, now this is perfect. You can keep like three country clocks also, means three clocks also. If you feel this video is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.